Selling your design on Canva can provide you an additional source of income and reach a wider audience. Now I am going to tell you how to do that. For this purpose, what we have to do is we are going to click on New tab and search for Canva Creators. Click on the first link that will appear. Now click on Become a Creator. Now read the instructions and click on Apply. Now select the purpose, whether you are going to be a designer, a teacher, or you are using it for business. For this purpose, I will click on designer and click on continue. What do you love creating? For this, I will select few options like social media, presentation, whiteboards, graphics, and click on continue. What is your level? For this purpose, I will select entry level and click continue. Now click your creative interests. I will select few options and click on continue. Now let's get some goals. Click continue. Now fill this form. Enter your name, address and website and other details. After completing the form, simply click on submit. Thanks for applying. Now the Canva team will review your application and reply you within 7 working days. So whether they will select you or not. So let's see it. In this way you can apply for becoming a creator on Canva. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.